Hello and welcome to this quick guide. If you're using Discord on your Android phone and want to reduce clutter or avoid stream previews popping up, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through the steps to hide stream previews easily using the app settings. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, scroll down until you find the Voice option and tap on it. Inside the voice settings, continue scrolling until you see the option labeled Hide Stream Previews. Finally, toggle the switch next to Hide Stream Previews to turn it on. This will stop Discord from showing previews of ongoing streams in voice channels. And that's it. You've successfully hidden stream previews in the Discord Android app. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more quick tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.